Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be using my Popbabies Personal Blender for the first time. And we're gonna make a smoothie because smoothies are about to be a way of life in the morning for me. Let's get started. So here's my Popbabies smoothie maker thingy blender. I brought a white one because it's just so aesthetically pleasing. It comes with a charge cord, of course, a mini ice cube tray, and then you have some recipes, I believe, in this booklet. Yes, some different recipes, and then a user's manual, but it has pictures on the back, so you don't have to go through all that. So I wanted to get a personal blender because I want to make smoothies in the morning, just to, I don't know, I'm trying to be a little more healthier and I'm trying to do some stuff, okay? So I thought this would be easier for me to kind of just throw things in here, boom, and then I can even drink it out of here. It comes off the base, so this is a charging base, and you can literally just take this after you do your smoothie, drink it, rinse it, and go about your business. So I also charged it overnight, so the light is blue. It was red. It still came on when I got it, but it was red. But it's blue now. That means it's ready to charge. So we're gonna get out. I'm gonna get out what I'm gonna put in my smoothie, and we're gonna get started. Well, we're gonna get started on this smoothie. Okay guys, we're all blended, and it's coming about to like right here, so pretty good mixture for me. I'm actually gonna take it off the base, then I'm gonna take the top off. Smells good. I'm gonna take this. Smooth. Let's see. Tastes good. Pretty good. This is super easy. I absolutely love this product. I'm glad I brought it. I'm really going to be trying to put smoothies in my every morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, if you're looking for a personal blender, definitely try Popbabies. It worked great. I'm going to drink the smoothie and get ready to go because I have somewhere to go. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.